Many people are using Instagram nowadays, but there is a common problem. Most people don't know which type of account is best for their goal, either creator account or business account. These things really affects your reach, impression, monetization, even your ad performance. So, in this video, I will discuss the difference between Instagram creator account and business account. And at the end of the video, I will show you how you can switch from your personal account to business account. So, without further ado, let's start. Number 1. You cannot make your business profile private. Anyone can come and see your account. On the other hand, you can make your creator account private. If you allow someone, they can see your account, or if you don't allow, they cannot see your account. Number 2. Music access. You cannot get access to all trending music in your business account because it's solely made for business. On the other hand, you can get access of all trending music in your creator account. You can easily mix your reels with trending music if you are using creator account. With business account, you can run ad with advanced targeting. You can target all those person who visited your website, who added to cart, who purchased, even who added to cart but did not purchase at that moment. You can retarget them by using your ads manager easily. On the other hand, in creator account, you don't have advanced targeting option. Number 4. Category level. In creator account, you can choose your category level as blogger, public figure, content creator. In business account, you will find traditional category like shop, restaurant, service, this type of things. So finally, we can say business account is made for ads and tracking and creator account is made for content and personal branding. One is data driven and another thing is content driven. Now you have to choose which one is perfect for you. Now I will show you how you can switch from your personal account to business account. Let's start. Click on edit profile. Scroll down. Select switch to professional account. Then click next. Here choose your business category. Since I am running a clothing store, I am choosing clothing here. Then choose your account type, business account. Click next. Fill your contact information. Click next. And that's it. Your business account is totally ready. If you like this video or if this video helped you even a little, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.